So if you're not showing up on the search results page, you're missing out on a huge untapped potential of all these customers who literally are typing your products into the search bar wanting to purchase.
Welcome to The Journey. I'm Neely.
And I'm Morgan.
And today we're going over the beginner's guide to SEO. All right, other than being a super cool acronym, what is SEO?
So SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Search engine optimization is the work that goes into your website. So it's actual work that you have to do to prove to Google and other search engines that you're the most relevant answer and the most trusted for searches relating to your products or business. So those two things, relevance and trust, is what Google's looking for to determine which websites it should rank on the first page. And so when I say Google, just so you know, I'm going to be using that interchangeably for all search engines because 167 billion searches happen on Google a month.
That's a ton. Most searches happen on Google, right?
Right. So I'm just going to use Google interchangeably. I mean, it is the 167 billion pound gorilla in the room, so we're just going to go.
I'm scared. All right, so SEO, like why is it important? Why should we invest our time, energy, and money?
So search engines, they're the new yellow pages. This is where people go to find answers. Billions upon billions of searches are happening each month, and many of those are for your products and services. So if you're not showing up on the search results page, you're missing out on a huge untapped potential of all these customers who literally are typing your products into the search bar wanting to purchase. 88% of people research before they buy, and where do they research? Google. So you need to it's just plain and simple, you need to be there. So instead of me telling you, let me just show you. Let's go check out a search result right now.
Cool, let's do it.
All right, so we're going to break down the different pieces of SEO by going to the search results page itself. So let's dive into it. So let's go to google.com, and what's an example business that we should look into?
Let's try lawyers.
Ah, that business of yours is getting big time, huh?
Something like that.
Yeah, Phoenix, Arizona. You need a lawyer now. So lawyer, Phoenix, Arizona. So what I just typed into the search bar is known as the search query. And this is a phrase or a question you are looking for answers for. This can contain your keywords. For example, lawyer is a keyword and Phoenix, Arizona is probably a keyword. So now let's look at the three different pieces of the search engine results page, also known as the SERP. So these first two sections right here, these are the ads, paid ads. And normally you can tell because they have a little ad flag right there. So you can see there are two ads here. And then if we scroll down to the next section, this is the local map listing sections. So these are local businesses only. So if you serve a national audience or you don't have a physical location that you serve, then you aren't going to show here. The way that you appear here is you have to have great SEO on your website, and you also have to have an optimized Google My Business profile. And you can see that only a few businesses appear here. So there's usually 3. This is known as the local 3-pack, and then occasionally there be an ad. So this is an example of someone who's paying to appear in the local listings, and then these 3 below it are the ones that are naturally, organically showing up here, which Google has deemed for Phoenix, Arizona, these are the best 3. You can click on more places, and that's going to bring you a wider map of all the different local lawyers. So you can see quite a few, and then you can dig into their Google My Business profile from there. So the next and last piece at the bottom, these are the organic results. This is where you want to be because unlike the paid ads, you have to pay to play for those. So once your ad budget is out, poof, you're gone, you're no longer there. But with these, you prove to Google over time that you're the most relevant and the most trusted answer, and then you're gonna stay here for a long, long time as long as you continue to show Google that you're better than your competition. And people love these. A lot of people, while ads are effective, we're kind of trained to just skip over the ads and go straight down to the organic results.
Right.
And so many people will just hop down right here and they'll click and find their lawyer.